Hello everyone, here's another video on financial markets. In this case, we're going to try something new. We're going to trade with rejection zones. That is going to enter. That's when a zone rejects. I make them with Heikin Ashi Rejection candle. I don't have to take into account the resistance support, more or less. I will work the line right edge of the body, not the wick. If I see that it falls below the point, I enter the one, okay? Nor in the direction. Explanation, well, this feather is good. The bad thing is payment, you notice, all right? We already have a line here. But look, it's not that falls below, it's very close, all right? You are going to enter on the downside. We don't have to wait for that. Because very tight and close for me, I have to wait for more candles. Then keep going up. Always follow the trend, right? Some more to explain that, so show another K, Heikin Ashi candle, 1 minute on the time frame. Okay, and that's the criteria. We're gonna use $9, 1 minute expiration time. Okay, 1 minute has passed, guys, 30 seconds more into that. Okay, 1.5. It's better to give what is more time because times your prices reacts unexpected. Okay, now I'm going to wait for answer. I think it's gone now because sometimes it's get pressured. It reacts unexpected, and I'm going to wait for entry. It's already gone here. Let's go. Unexpectedly again. All right, I should wait for an entry to close possible. That's good. Unless I have confirmation, guys, or if it's go down position on that, CDF, JPY downtrend. Okay, sometimes it's better to wait and see if it's pullbacks. If it does pull back, the movement tell me that the price is going to fall. It's depending on the movement next candle. So media, I'm waiting for the results of the first trade. Keep in mind the time, it's 1.5 minutes. Okay, because I see the marks are down little, not a little slow, the time fast too. So it's better to give it more time. A little more time so that projection happen as expected. If you want 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, always depend of that. So guys, let's go. Let's second for this one. And those guys are first position. Look at what I'm saying has been sitting here. $15. Now we'll have lost it. Okay, and then that's false. I think it's like the right amount of the time would be the minutes. I have the present something like that from happening. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. We have the same pair here, another point, and wait for it happens, right? And middle zone, that's here. Look at that. Okay, and anyway, guys, I have already won the first position. Let's see that. Okay, $15. I'm going to wait for the other positions, and let's go with that. Okay, it's looking like they're going to be in a moment upwards with the candle. I read with 2 candlesticks. And seeing the rejects in the area, I won't go long. So give him in that trend. I enter a little late. I missed the price. That's, oh my gosh. All right, no problem. You already have an entry. How do I know when this stops? Well, you look for the point based on the most pronounced closes. You move the line and look at the green line. The price come back and test, and I wait for the last 2 candles. Not just a slide reject. I enter. Well, it may not be the position, but I must not set limits. You see, is there's a limit there? No. As the passes the price react to the point, but look at observe the main trends. Can generate a range right here. The price will go up there, but the movement is strong, and it made the trend bullish, and I see the support. There is no chance for that happening. So you're in the second position or the Euro CAD. Okay, and a way to see how the positions plays out, guys. Let's go with that. Okay, A few seconds for this one that's above the line, and we got this second position for that. Have no patience and wait for the guns to show now. $28. Guys, because we have to see what it does at the point, based on the point, it could be that I took a bullish continuation based on the entry point. I will have to very carefully. So I going to took for another entry, and this is the final ticket explanation. This would be the last one for me. And only entering the rejection zones, and look at accident 1.5 minutes. There's only 1 minute left. I see the marks may not give me the right move, so we need to wait for the exactly moment. Going down on that, it looks like we have the weight. The candle closes with that, I made it go directly. Okay. And there's a jump in the end, but no. But look, the price is 10 below the wicks. Of the wicks, of course, the positions against the trends is not forming the trends, so it could be dangerous. But anyway, look at the movement. I'm in lock the price. I see the price is trying to fall. Well, they're making on wicks, zones, and so on. There could be the downward shift. So we're ready in the last trade, which is very dangerous. I am the count trade, the last 1.5 minutes. It could be with 1 minute and right here. Let's see that. All right. We got these moments. We got that. We got a few seconds, almost this. Right, 40 seconds for that. I would have been in heart attack, but it's 30 seconds left to wait to see my last trading session turns out. Let's go with that, man. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. For now, that's respecting. But as I said, always that I said, that's the 1 minute left. That's always the worst. So look at this. We are getting this one. The more determined man. Got a win. $52 in the total. Guys, in terms of distance, whether I have had 3 winnings position in the financial markets, is use only the Heikin Ashi candlesticks with the rejection zones marked with the bodies of that candlesticks. Observes what happened. There's the price does not pass and start to draw one of the 2 green candlesticks. If I'm now to the trend of futures and after the price continue rising, right here. In this case, look for the mark below to enter the downside. That gave me the entry consideration. It's 2 red candles. I run in the entry. I have 52 on my accounts, 9 for 52. Strategy is well straight session. I invite you to like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification. Stay tuned for more videos on that. See you in the live session, guys, on the channel. Have a great day. See you on the next time. Bye-bye, guys. See you around. Good operations for you. Action right now. See you.